Hello makeup lovers, how are you guys doing? Today it is that time again to go ahead and shop with me for the Sephora sale. I've done this I think twice now and I really just enjoy it. I feel like it's a fun video to do. I like online shopping. I don't like shopping in stores, so I feel like this is a fun way to still do that but shop with y'all. So normally I just take, well today I'm using my iPad because my phone doesn't have enough storage to screen record, but I'm just gonna go through the app, look through what's already in my cart, look through what's new, kind of see if there's anything grabbing my attention, and then go through and just cut it down to what I really want to try. Hopefully not spend more than $100. I feel like that's normally my goal, is like no more than 100. I know it's a sale and like it's easy to go above and beyond, but I don't want to spend money just because it's a sale. My Nana always used to say, you save more money when you don't buy anything. So I'll try to keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and jump on in. So I just pulled up the main page, and like I said, let's just go ahead and start off. We'll check out what is happening in my cart. Oh lordy, we've got something out of stock. Oh no. Okay. So one of the things I was really excited about is the new Tower 28 Tinted Sunscreen Foundation. That is really appealing to me, but it looks like it's already out of stock, so we're gonna move it to the Loves. That probably would have made it in my cart, but it is what it is. So then we've also got two products from Rose Inc. There is the Blush Divine Clean Dewy Cream Blush, and I was curious to try this brand just because Hannah Louise Poston did such an amazing raving review, and I just was really intrigued. I'd never heard of them before her video. So I've got the blush in here. And then I also have the Soft Light Clean Dewy Hydrating Concealer. But I think honestly, if I was going to try one thing from the brand to start off with, it would be the concealer, because Hannah raved about that specifically. She's talking about it in so many videos. We have a pretty similar skin tone, so I feel like, or I guess I should say, she's raved about it specifically because the color is so good and so light and just perfect for a concealer, and just all the claims sound perfect to me. So I think I'm going to move the blush to my Loves. Oh no, oops, what am I doing? Okay, move it to the Loves, and we will keep the concealer in the cart. And then we've got this lipstick from Makeup by Mario. I haven't tried anything from his brand, not a single thing, but this shade Sierra I thought looked really pretty. Let me just see. I mean, I just think it looks like such a nice nude. Do I need it? No, but that I was just kind of slightly intrigued. So that's what my cart looks like for now. Let's go ahead and shop, see what is new. My internet's being really slow today. Okay, so we've got the new Huda Beauty blushes, which these look so pretty. This shade Healthy Peach. I said I wasn't gonna buy it. I did a video like specifically duping the vibes or whatever of things on my wish list, and this was one of the things I said I was gonna buy. I'm pretty sure that made it in this video. But it's only $21. Like, it's like a little mini blush, and that appeals to me a lot because blushes are so hard to go through. We'll add, and we'll think about it later. Okay, so we've got, this looks really pretty. This shade specifically. Do not need it though. Do not need it. Do not need it. The Pat McGrath palette. I feel like I saw reviews and it looked really pretty. And I really want to own a palette from Pat McGrath, but I'm just waiting for the perfect one. Okay, we've got some Sephora favorites. I love their favorite sets sometimes, just depending. But this one, not really doing it for me. They did a lip balm one, I think like 2 years back, and it was really good. Okay, we got this new Huda Beauty palette. I don't know what it is. I feel like when I see swatches of this, like that looks absolutely stunning. So beautiful. But then when I actually look at the palette, it does not appeal to me at all. And I think it's just because it looks messy with like the weird shades, the mixed shades. Like, I just want to see exactly what is happening. But, okay, I'm struggling. This swatch picture, like this purple pinky moment, looks so pretty, but it's almost $70, so I'm gonna not. Okay, we've got the new Natasha Denona Glam Face and Eye palettes. So I am mildly intrigued by this. I think majority of the reason why is because I've been doing a lot of like travel makeup moments, and I think this looks perfect for that. I love Natasha Denon's cream blush formula, if this is the same as her others that I've tried. I love her highlighter formula, and this one looks so pretty. It just looks like a very basic nude eyeshadow moment, but the face products are appealing to me. So we'll add that. We'll think about it. Oh, Lordy. Okay. What's happening here? I have not seen anything about these, but those look pretty boring, so that's why. Okay, moving on. There's nothing really I can think of that I'm needing. The only thing I'm like considering, that I was actually thinking about just this morning, is that I really feel like I need a thicker moisturizer for winter. Like my skin has been so dry. I like had like cracking in my eyelid. It's not even winter yet. It's just like the borderline end of fall moment, and my skin is already crying. So I was thinking about the Milk moisturizer that I love so much, but I don't know. I do have a good moisturizer. I just think I need to remember more to use it every morning and every single night because my skin needs it. All right. I feel like this Charlotte Tilbury palette looks super pretty. Like the Power Eyes calling to me, but again, I just don't need it. Not even close. Man, I am so sad about this. Oh yeah, I was gonna say maybe I could go one shade up, but this is all sold out. Okay. This is another one that I keep like seeing, and I saw bad reviews for it, but it still like has me mildly curious. But again, not enough to purchase, even on sale. I saw these little blush trios, but I saw a few people mention that on fair skin, neither of the highlighters are quite light enough. So that definitely talked me out of those, even though the packaging and everything looks divine. No pun intended. Okay. Ooh. This is another one that I'm like mildly intrigued by, but I feel like I have the original Metropolis. Like I don't need this. It's very pretty, but I don't need it. Don't need it. I feel like there's been so many Natasha Denona things that have appealed to me. Like the retro palette is still in the back of my mind. Okay, is that about it right there? Okay. I feel like there's got to be more to see. Makeup. Are there any perfumes? I don't think so. Little, what is this? Okay, Clean Beauty set. Looks kind of cute, but don't really, I don't know, not vibing. I really love these Rare Beauty. They're little sets. I got them last year. I think I got all of them, and they're really, really good. They last a long time because you only need the tiniest bit, and I just feel like it's a steal versus buying the full size for like $20 each, getting the 3 little ones. I know I'm looking at some of the same things as before, but I went through and just added all of the just makeup to see what else will come up, if there's anything I'm missing, anything I'm not thinking of. Oh, like this one looks so cute. I got the Kaja set last year as well. I don't think I need it. Ooh, it has the milk tea one. I've heard such good things about that. But realistically, the milk tea one is calling to me, the lip gloss, but I don't think that's enough to buy the whole set, even if it's a good deal. Let me just look up milk tea. Oh. See, yeah, that's $16. Let's see, milk tea. Add to basket. Okay, you know what else is called to me? I'm really curious about the Kosas face powder, but I don't know if it's on here yet. Ooh, it is. I feel like I heard good things about this, and I've been into a face powder recently, like the Too Faced I dropped something. Too Faced Born This Way. I've been using all the time, and it's so good. I have it on a little bit today. I'm about to hit pan on that one. We'll add to the basket. We'll think about it. Let's see if there's anything else happening here. Oh, this is so cute. Do not need it at all, but the packaging is adorable. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Let me see. I love these little duos. I just have 2 shades. That's really pretty. I probably don't need any more, but I feel like they're so good. This one right here, Tropic Equinox, looks really nice. We'll add. We'll add. Okay, like I said, I need to look. I feel like I was looking at moisturizers last time too. You know what? I have some samples and I've been using them up, but I just feel like I need that like thickness. I just really miss this. Even though I'm pretty sure I did it empties like last month and said I was not going to repurchase it. We'll think about it. Okay, let's see how my basket's looking. Oh, lordy. Whew, okay. That is too much. Okay, I feel like everything needs to go. Okay. Just looking through. Oh, this is my loves list. I feel like nothing is really calling me there. There's the retro palette from Natasha Ona, which is still calling to me. Oh, it's so pretty. I feel like if I had to choose between the retro and the new face palette, the retro would call to me more, but I don't feel like, no. I feel like the retro, the color story of the eyeshadows calls to me more, but it would have less benefits in my life. It would be less valuable to me and what I'm looking for. So we'll just move to loves. Okay, let's just talk through this. I think we've done enough shopping. It's like 13 minutes in. We're at like $300, so we'll calm down. Okay, let's see. Everything looks so good. So I know for sure the concealer I definitely want to keep in my cart and I want to purchase. I'm just very, very intrigued for that. I feel like this lip gloss, I've heard good things. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the Kosas powder actually. I think it looks really pretty. It looks really nice, but I have the Too Faced one, which I really, really love. So maybe this would be something I'll try when the Too Faced one is gone, when I use it up, because realistically I just don't need it yet. So we're gonna move that to the loves. I'm gonna move the Color and Light cream blush and highlighter duo because I feel like I'm getting a cream blush and a highlighter duo with the Natasha Ona base palette. So we'll do like one of each kind of thing. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of the Huda Beauty blush. It looks so pretty, but I have a perfect peach blush from Alamar. So we're just gonna move to the loves. It's only $20, whatever, but I have other blushes that are peachy and perfect. Okay. So I feel like between the lip gloss and the lipstick, I really don't need to bring like 2 more lip items into my life if I'm talking myself down. So I think I'm gonna go for the lip gloss and we're gonna move the lipstick to loves, and maybe that's time for another day. Okay. So, oh, you know what? I didn't even add the reward, the promo code. This is gonna make me feel a lot better. Is it like holiday? I can't remember what the reward is. No, okay. Let's go back home. Oh, it's yay holiday, okay. So that's gonna make me feel a lot better because I'm like trying to get it down a little bit more. Oh, okay, there we go, got it. I don't know, you guys. I feel like it could be better. I think that I am gonna just wait on the Milk Makeup Moisturizer because I have some other things. I'm gonna see if I'm a little bit more consistent with using a really heavy moisturizer in the morning and at night. If it'll help a little bit before I get desperate and go back to purchasing that, because I have moisturizers I need to get through first. So I feel like this is looking pretty good. Got a new concealer to try, little face palette, which has the blush, the highlight, the eyeshadows, and the lip gloss. So I feel like not only are those 3 things that I really want to try, but also that could be a good video. Like I could try all of those at once and do a little like trying my Sephora VIB sale and have like a mostly like full face of color products. We can add some samples. Ooh, let's do this. Luminous Matte Liquid Foundation. And then maybe do the ABH Luminous Foundation too. I had someone the other day telling me that was like their holy grail foundation, and I was like, I have not thought about that in so long. Okay, I think that is my order. I'm gonna do what I normally do, which is kind of let this go, let it sit, marinate for a little bit, and then probably in a few hours, if I'm still feeling good about this, I'll make the purchase. But I like to wait it out at least a little while, even though some of these things were already in the back of my head. Like I said, the concealer, I know. The lip gloss, I'm pretty sure about. The Natasha Nona face palette is a little bit more like feeling risky, a risque moment, but I think it looks really nice. So we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me. I'd love to know if you picked up anything from the Sephora sale, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.